Best indicators for day trading. The best indicators for day trading depend on your trading style, but here are some of the most effective ones. 1. Trend indicators. These help identify the market direction. Moving averages EMA. Exponential moving average EMA reacts faster to price changes than simple moving average SMA. Common choices: 9, 20, 50 period EMAs. VWAP volume weighted average price, useful for intraday traders to find fair value prices. MACD moving average convergence divergence, great for spotting momentum shifts. 2. Momentum indicators. These help confirm strength in price movements. Relative Strength Index RSI identifies overbought above 70 and oversold below 30 conditions. Stochastic Oscillator, similar to RSI but more sensitive to price changes. CCI Commodity Channel Index, measures deviation from the average price. 3. Volume indicators. Volume helps confirm breakouts and reversals. Volume profile, shows volume at specific price levels. On balance volume OBV, measures cumulative buying/selling pressure. 4. Volatility indicators. These help traders identify potential breakout points. Bollinger Bands, help spot volatility expansion/contractions. ATR Average True Range, measures price volatility to set stop-loss levels. 5. Support resistance indicators. Pivot points, auto-calculated support/resistance levels used in day trading. Fibonacci retracement, helps find key support/resistance levels. Best combinations for day trading: EMA+RSI+MACD momentum trend. VWAP+Bollinger bands for scalping. Pivot points +ATR support/resistance volatility.
Thanks for watching.